Here's a 2017 Audi A4. Drivers with high expectations will relish driving this amazing A4. And it was completely redesigned for 2017 with improved power and fuel economy to go with added technology and safety features. It comes with great features you love: integrated navigation system, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather bucket seats, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. This captivating A4 is the sedan that over-delivers on luxury and performance. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.